Hey guys, I'm back and from now onwards I will upload videos regularly. So in today's video I'll tell you how you can earn your first $1,000 online, and to be honest this method is 100% free. But the only thing which you will not like is that you have to work daily for this. For at least 2 to 3 hours you have to work daily. And disclaimer, result may vary accordingly according to your efforts, according to your time which you have given to this method, and etc. So before that, if you are new here, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that in future you don't miss any of our videos like this. And today's aim is 50 likes, so give this video a thumbs up. So without wasting any time, let's dive into this. So you have to follow some steps, and the first step is that you have to pick a niche. Popularly there are 3 evergreen niches, and that is health, wealth and relationship. According to me, if you choose from these 3 niches, then that will be best for you. And once you selected your niche, you have to select an affiliate platform. For this video I'll go for Clickbank. And the one who don't know what Clickbank is, then Clickbank is an largest affiliate marketplace from where you can choose various digital products and promote them and get commission for. Now what you have to do is just go to clickbank.com. If you have account, just log in, and if you don't have, just click on this sign up button, and after that you will be redirected to this page. And here you can see it's 100% free to join, and scroll down. Here you have to fill the information, and after that filling these information you have to read their terms and condition, and after that just click on this checkbox, and then you can easily join Clickbank. Once you have made a Clickbank account, just log in into that, and after that just open the marketplace, and this kind of interface you will see. Here you can see there are many categories from which you can choose your affiliate product, and here you can see health and fitness. This is a health niche, and this is a health wealth niche, this e-business and e-marketing, and this one self-help, you can call it relationship niche. So from these 3 niches you can choose any of the product. Like let's say we are going for this health and fitness, so just click on that, and after that you will be redirected to this page. Just click on this and select gravity from there. Here just select gravity, and after that everything is sorted by gravity. And here you can see, now what you have to do is just make this gravity to 70 or 80, let's say 71, and here you can see results are sorted. And now you can change this date added to marketplace to 3 months or 2 months back, like this date. And here you can see there are many products which were recently launched, but as you can see these gravity is not up to the mark. It's not too good, so for that let's drag it something back like this. And here you can see this is the product. Its gravity is 62.2, which is very good, and its average conversion is $109.19. so this is a perfect product. So let's see its affiliate page. We will open this in new tab, and let's see its sales page. And here you can see this is the sales page of the product which we have chosen, and here you can see it's all about hair loss. So it's a rising problem in our generation, and this product is really solving the great issue, so people will definitely go and check this out. And there are many tools which are available in their affiliate page. Here it is, this is the affiliate page of this product. from where you can get various help to do affiliate marketing. Like if you scroll down, there will be some email swipes which you can download and use for your own purpose. Like this, you can do email marketing with the product, this product. So hope you know how you can select a good product. Now what you have to do is just click on this promote button. Now just put a tracking ID, like let's say you want to add YouTube or something like that. Example, you can easily use your own tracking ID and click on this generate hop link, and this is the link, this is your affiliate link. You just have to copy this, and when someone will buy the product from this link, you will get commission for that. Now what you have to do is you have to promote this affiliate product. Basically, I will tell you three free methods to promote these affiliate programs. So what we have done till now, we have chosen a niche, that is from health, wealth and relationship niche. So you just have to select any of the niche, and in that category you have to select an affiliate product, and after that you have to promote that. So for that we have three free platforms, that is YouTube, blogging and social media. Let's take a look on these three things one by one. So first thing is YouTube. So for that, just go to youtube.com. This is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe it and hit the notification bell so that in future you don't miss any of our videos related to money making, freelancing and all the other stuffs like digital marketing, etc, etc. Here you can see we regularly upload videos on money making and freelancing things and other digital marketing things, mainly Clickbank, etc, etc. So you can subscribe to our channel and enjoy the video. If you really like it, do thumbs up. So what you have to do is just come over YouTube and make a product review channel. Whatever affiliate product you choose, you have to make a video on that. Let's say this one is the product which we have chosen. So just go to YouTube and let's see how many people have made videos on this review. So just type Divine Logs review and after that hit enter, and you will see these are the results, and these are the results. There are merely 3 videos on this particular topic, that is these 3, and here you can see this is 2 months ago. This is the video which you can easily make with the help of a software which I'll tell you later in this video. And here you can see this video is having 201 views, and you can see it's 2 months ago. So let's see how much money this video has made till now. Open calculator, and here you can see there are only 201 views. So let's say its conversion is 0.10 or 0.05, and that is 5% or 10%. So 201 into 0.1 is equals to 20.1. So approx there will be 20 conversion, and here its average price is $109.19. So we multiply it by 109.9, then we will get $2,194. So here you can see a simple video having 201 views can get you up to 4-figure online. So are you understanding what I am trying to say? You are only one step behind for success. And to be honest, these kinds of video you can make with just one click. If you are not believing me, then watch this video. There is a software called Vidnami. This is an amazing software or website you can say, and this can provide you tons of value with just few bucks. So here you can see you can easily transform your article into videos with the help of this Vidnami software. If you are my regular viewer, then you know I have made many videos on this software Vidnami, and in that video in live I show you how you can transform your article into video. And if you are a shy person like me who don't want to show his or her face and even voice, then this Vidnami software is for you, and you can easily try this for free. Link will be in the description. If you want, you can check that out, and additional there will be many bonuses if you go through my link. So till now what we have done is that we have chosen a product, we made a YouTube channel, and for making videos for that particular YouTube channel we use Vidnami. Now let's move to a second free method, that is through blogging. For blogging you can use manchai.com. This is an amazing website. Here you can get information about upcoming affiliate products on which you can write review blogs, and there is also the information about recent launches. The only thing which you have to do is just join their affiliate program and write a review blog for that particular product. Here you can see there are tons of products which you can use. These are all launches, and these are the big launches which are upcoming. So you can accordingly choose your own product. Now how you can write blog. To write blog, just go to blogger.com. There you will see the link like this. Just click on that. After that, just come over here, new post, and just click on this, and it will take some time to create your new post. And here you can see you can write your own title, like whatever review you want to write, just write that particular thing, like Divine Logs review. After that you can write a review article here. But remember one thing, content must be honest and of good quality so that people will trust you, and your blog eventually create more chances that they will buy product from your blog. So remember this thing. After that you can publish it. And other free website to create your own free website is wix.com. It's a free website builder. Here you can create your own blogs for free, just like you did in blogger.com. And this is also a great website for a beginner who don't have any penny to buy hosting or a domain. If you have money to buy domain or hosting, then I will definitely prefer bluehost.com. It's very easy to set up, and you will get free domain for 1 year and free 24/7 lifetime support, and you will get WordPress also. Its price is also very cheap. It's just $2.75 per month. And to be honest, if you have money, you must buy domain and hosting, as it will help you to rank in Google. Now let's move to our third free method, and that is social media. Let me show you my Instagram, and here you can see I have only 118 followers and 383 following. And here you can see I am not very active here, but to be honest, this social media, Instagram, can change your life. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all these social media can change your life. Here you can see I have only 6 to 7 reels and only 114 followers, but this reel has 13.3k views. If a 114 follower page can reach this much views, then think or just imagine how much views you can get if you have 1000, 2000 or 20,000 followers. So it's about one step. Just be consistent and try to utilize Instagram to make money, not to chat or something like that. And I can guarantee you Instagram can change your life. You just have to make a Instagram page on product reviews, like let's search product review, and there you will get tons of results which are doing review about other products or affiliate products like this. These are the pages which are doing reviews on various products. So similarly, you have to make a product review page and upload reels there and get views, and eventually you will get conversion from that. Now let's move to Facebook, and here you can see you have to make Facebook groups here, and this one, weight loss product reviews. Here this is a great example of a amazing method or way to make money from Facebook, and you just have to make a group and be consistent and post product reviews regularly, so that the members which are currently present in your group will definitely go and check that out. One of my friend is earning 6-figure from his 20,000 member Facebook group. So here you can see this is a great opportunity. And the another website is Quora.com. I have many videos on Quora, how to get views on your answer like that, but for now I will tell you how you can grab the opportunity from Quora. It's a question and answer website where you can answer as many as questions you want. So let's search Divine Lock review and let's see how many questions are available here in Quora. And here you can see this is the question, and one person has answered this Divine Locks review like this: type 2 diabetes treatment, something like that. Let's see on Google for the term Divine Lock review that a Quora answer is ranking on first page of Google or not. So just go to Google and search Divine Lock review there, and here you can see the results. This is the video which I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So just think, this 13-minute video from Vidnami is ranking on the first page of Google, and this one also one day ago, the 3 minutes video is ranking on the first page. So how much opportunity you are losing, you can see from this only. Now let's see if Quora answer is ranking on the first page or not. And this is the Quora website, so this one is ranking on the first page. Let's click on this and see what this article is providing. And here you can see this is the answer, or you can say article which this person has written on Quora website. And now let's see its views. Just scroll down and there you will get 122 views. So let's see how much money does he or she made with this Quora method. Let's open our calculator and here just clear all, and 122 views. Let's say its conversion is 0.5, I mean sorry, 0.05. So 122 into 0.05 is equals to 6.1. Now we multiply it by 10, that was 109. So let's say 109 is equals to $664.9. So with just one strategy you can earn up to $500. So just think about that. If you do all the 3 strategies for 30 days, then how much money you can generate. And the third step is to be consistent. If you are consistent and if you are doing in a right manner, then you will definitely get success. So today I want to give you 30 days challenge. If you are with me, then just comment below that I will do 30 days challenge, and let's see how many of you get success. Whether you fail or you get success, don't forget to share result with me. And don't worry, I am always there to help you. If you have any problem, then just DM me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is @legit.earn. If you have any query, then please let me know. So that's the wrap for this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do thumbs up and share with your friends, and don't forget to do 30 days challenge. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.